So here we go. I'm gonna try my new Keurig. Brand new. First cup of coffee. There we go. And we're gonna do the cup. What? We're going big, 12 ounces. Doing a Green Mountain. Green Mountain coffee. There we go. All right, I'll be back. All right, there she goes. Here she's doing something. And now I did the cleaning cycle already on it last night. Yeah, $99 on sale at Walmart. That was easy. Way better than doing the old way. And my old coffee mate used to open up like this and get the counter up top here. This one slides out like that. So that would be a lot easier. That smells good. That's the wild blueberry or mountain blueberry or something. There it goes. I think that's it. Alright, I'll be back. Let you guys know how it is. Alright, there we go. Got my little French vanilla creamer in there. Give it a try. It's good. It's coffee. It tastes good. It's, yeah. I got this stuff. I'm going to try this. So I'll be right back. It's brand new at Giant. I just seen it. Cold foam creamer. Because it's French vanilla. I'm going to spray some of that in there and try it. Be right back. There we go. Little cold foam on the top of it. I've never had this before at all. I'm not a fancy coffee guy. I'll tell you how I like it. Oh, that's nice. I could get into that. I don't want you guys at the job finding out I'm into the cold foam cream, but good stuff. All right, that's it.